Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing skirt plus top from men's Polo. So here's the Polo from Ukay Ukay. And I already have pattern for my skirt. On how to make the pattern, I will put the link down below. If you don't want to make a pattern, you can use your pencil cut skirt as a pattern. So you can see po, I already cut the fabric with an allowance. Sa allowance po, it can be 1/2 or half. This is the front pattern and I'm cutting it for the slits. And at the same time, ito na po yung natin, dart natin. And I didn't notice that I'm only cutting the upper one. You should cut both para po maayos at pantay yung pagkakakati. Leave 5 inches for the slits. Then, tahiin nyo na yung rest. As you can see, hindi ko pwedeng nahin lahat. Nag-iwan po ako ng mga 3 inches. Ito na nga po yung cheat. I didn't notice that my new SD card was corrupt. Nakailang beses na ako pindot sa mga video clips ko. Sabi niya, cannot play this video. I almost cried because the effort of filming the zipper, the waistband part is just gone. I'm really sorry, but I will put a subtitle on how I make the waistband part tapos yung mga zipper. Yun na nga po, natahi ko na nga po yung mga pattern natin front and back. Tapos po sa pagtatahi po ng waistband, pares lang din po yan sa pagkoconnect ng mga pattern. Make sure put a pin on the waistband para hindi magusot yung pagkakatahi at maayos siya. On this technique, I just fold it back, tapos sinahi ko siya, then see the magic. Tada! That's the easy way po. Tapos tayo nyo na lang po yung nasa gilid. Ito na po yung part na I sew the slits. When you're done sewing both slits, tayin na po natin yung baba. This is the very last part of the skirt. I used the old hook and eye, but you can also use buttons or cartones. This is the finished product of the skirt. Next, we will be doing the top. For the pattern, I will put the link down below. Every time you cut the pattern, make sure you fold the fabric. I use the excess fabric from the polo for the side front pattern. And I think it will give a different effect for my top.
I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you out.
Tinahi ko na po off-cam yung mga straps. Tapos po yung butas na paglulusutan ng strap, depende po sa inyo yung dami. You don't have to buy another zipper for your top. You can use this alternative way para mas tipid, you know. Yun na nga po, this is the finished product and I hope you appreciate and see the effort. Subukan na natin. Let's try it on.
Look, I don't wanna say goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Salamat. Danke schön. Arigatou gozaimasu. Takshishi kapung ka. Kamsahamnida. Gracias.